title, listening skills, name the lesson, name the unit, everything should be proper. It is not that everything should will be very very untidy and I'll not get to know. And students, you all are not uploading your worksheets, your assignments, your homework, nothing you all are uploading. Okay, I want that. Okay, anyway, so the first one, as you can see, note any phrasal verbs. So what phrasal verbs we have noted? So there's like look up, ring me back, showing up, call back, fix those in, get back, catch up, give me a ring, fill you in, get through, cut off, put me through, gets in, run out, hang on, come round, breaking up, hanging up, right? All these are the phrasal verbs. Next, you have match the phrasal verbs to the definition below. So you got the phrasal verb and you have to just match with the meanings of these. So when your voice cannot be heard, when a phone signal starts to go back during a call, that is called as call breakup. Okay, connect a caller with someone else. This, the phrasal verb for this is put through. Okay, put through. The phrasal verb for connect a caller with someone else is put through. uh, Next, for wait, the phrasal verb is hang on. For end a phone call, it is a hang up. The phrasal verb for end a phone call is hang up. And then achieve a phone connection is get through. Lose a phone connection is cut off. These are the phrasal verbs. Students, so now we come to choose the correct options. So if you observe, sorry, over here you have choose the correct options. So you have to stop using your mobile phone if there are two options given: your battery runs out or you run out your battery. Which one is correct? Okay, so I'm giving you some time, you can pause here and then we'll discuss. Okay, students, so now that you all have resumed the video, so we'll discuss the answers. So the first one, the answer is your battery runs out. This is the correct. This is not the correct one. Sometimes it is difficult to get back or get through. So it's get through. Okay, not get back to distance or remote places on a mobile phone. If you can't hear someone, you may ask to speak them up or them to speak up. Them to speak up, this is the correct one. This is not the correct one. Okay, it is them to speak up. You ring a large business and the receptionist, they will put through you or put you through to the person you want to speak. So the answer is put you through. So the answer is put you through. This is the correct and this is the wrong answer. You ring a friend, but he wants you to wait a moment while answers the door. He says, hang on a moment or hang a moment on. Obviously, the answer is hang on a moment and not hang a moment on. How we can hang a moment? You are talking to your dad. After a few minutes, he says, I'd better pass over you, or pass you over to your mom now. So obviously the answer is pass you over and not pass, better pass over you. Okay, this is the wrong one. So hope you all have got everything correct. If not, that means you need little practice, and once you practice, I want you all to get everything correct. It's nothing very very difficult. Then we come to the next page, students. Just a minute. Next page is page number 41. So open page number 41. It started to, actually this is the night thing that gets activated after 7. Yes, so this is the page number 41, and this the speaking skills are given over here, you can see. And first of all, what you do, students, we always read the thing. Okay, so as you can see what is written, practice using phrasal verbs in phone dialogues, work with a partner, take it in turns to be A and B, choose the best response to what A says. Okay, so A to J is given in A to J is given. In B, 1 to 10 is given. So what you have to do, you have to connect the correct response. So for example, I can't hear you well. This one is 2. Okay, so 2 if you go, okay, I'll try to speak up. So you have to just see the responses. So A is saying a sentence in the whole of A to J, they are sorry, they are saying the sentences, and what you have to do, you have to guess the responses. And where the responses are given, students, responses are given in B1 to 10, right? So as they have done, for example, A1, I can't hear you well, so the response to this is matching with second one, okay, I'll try to speak up. Okay, so this is what the question demands. So A, I can't hear you well. The correct response is okay, I'll try to speak up. So it's given 2. So likewise, I want you all to pause it and I want you all to do it your own by your own self. If you can, very good. Okay. So B is, can I speak to the finance department please? So now that I have watched B, now I'll go to the B section, capital B section, and I'll see. I'll just put you through will be the correct response. Okay, so he is calling to talk to the finance department, but then when I say I'll, you have to pass the phone, right? We don't say that I'll pass the phone to my head. What we say, I'll put you through. Okay, so the correct response for B will be first one. Okay, so I'll just write first one. See, we are going to have to stop talking soon. My battery is running out. So this is the C1. C1, if you see, it matches with the sixth. Okay, would you like me to call you back, because battery is running out, so obviously they'll expect to call that person back. So C1 is sixth. Okay, well, I guess I'd better go, it's running late. Okay, so what I want you to do now, 2 3 that I have shown you, students, I want you to pause the video over here, and then I want you to do it. I'll tell you the answers, right? I'm giving you few moments. You can do the video, write the answers over here, just like the first one it's given 2, like that. After B you can write 1, after C you have to write 6. Likewise, whatever you think the answers are, likewise you have to write. Okay, students, so now that you all have resumed the video, I'll give you the answers. I hope you all are sincerely pausing, students, because if you are not pausing, then just a minute, students. Okay. If you are not pausing, then it's a big mistake for you all, because then you are not getting an idea of how to do, what to do, how you have to go about it. Okay, so if you are pausing it and doing it sincerely, very good, I appreciate. But if you're just copying the answers for the sake of doing, this is not done. Okay, so now I'm giving you the answers. So the B1 is the first one, C sixth, D seventh, E fourth, F 10th, G 9, H 3, I 8, J 5. I'll repeat it. B first, C sixth, D seventh, E fourth, F 10th, G 9, H 3, I 8, J F. Okay. Okay, students. So hope you all have understood this, and if not, you can call.